We'll guide you through how to write an essay using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your OpenAI account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a text box where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. Start by typing a prompt that outlines a topic or question you want to address in your essay. For instance, you might type, "Help me write an essay on the impact of climate change on global agriculture." Once you've entered your prompt, click on the submit button or hit enter. ChatGPT will then generate a response that you can use as a starting point. It's a good idea to read through this initial response and identify key points or ideas that you find useful. You can then refine your prompt or ask follow-up questions to get more detailed information or to explore specific aspects of your topic. For example, you can type, "Provide more examples of how climate change affects agriculture in developing countries." This will help you build a more comprehensive outline for your essay. Remember, it's important to add your own analysis and insights to make the essay truly yours. As ChatGPT provides you with text, you can copy and paste it into a word processor to organize your essay structure, such as introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Use ChatGPT to help with transitions or to elaborate on specific points if needed. Also, be sure to proofread and edit the final draft to ensure clarity and coherence. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.